In the book Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones, James Clear teaches readers how to make small, incremental changes in their daily habits in order to achieve significant improvement in their lives. He argues that it is not necessarily the big, dramatic changes that lead to success, but rather the accumulation of small, incremental changes over time. So, how can you build good habits and break bad ones? Clear offers several practical tips and strategies. 1. Use triggers and rewards to create associations. For example, if you want to start exercising more, you could associate your workout with something you already do every day, like brushing your teeth. You could also reward yourself for completing your workout, like treating yourself to a healthy smoothie afterwards. 2. Use habit stacking to build new habits on top of existing ones. This means adding a new habit to something you already do on a regular basis. For example, if you want to start meditating, you could do it right after you brush your teeth in the morning. 3. Use implementation intentions to plan for and overcome obstacles. This means setting a specific plan for when and where you will perform your new habit. For example, if you want to start reading before bed, you could plan to read for 30 minutes every night at 9 p.m. in your bedroom. 4. Align your actions with your values and goals. This means making sure that your habits are consistent with who you want to be and what you want to achieve. For example, if you value good health, you might make a habit of eating healthy foods and exercising regularly. By following these tips and strategies, you can build good habits and break bad ones, leading to significant improvement in your life. Remember to be consistent and persistent in your efforts, and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. With time and repetition, those small changes will add up to big improvements. Good luck on your journey to becoming a better version of yourself.